how to add hair in Blender. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Blender. And then once you are now here, what we're going to do is to of course delete all of this right here. So select them all and then just click on X and then click delete. Once you do that, just add a new object, which is, let's say for example, we're going to use a UV sphere, which is right here. And then what we're going to do next is to go on this, which is the particles, and then add this, click the plus icon, and then click the hair option, which is this one. So as you can see, we now have this kind of like hair effect on the sphere. Now, what we're going to do next is to, of course, first adjust the number of hairs that you want to include. So let's say, for example, that we want to add about 300 hairs right there. And then for the seed, you can also change that. Same goes for the hair lengths. And then, of course, the segments. Once you're now done with that, what we're going to do is to click on Advanced. So once you click that, let's click the hair dynamics right here. And then click this. And then on this part, click on Structure. So you will now be able to see the vertex mass, which is right here. And then, of course, the stiffness, the random, and then, of course, the damping. Now, once you're now done with this, what we are going to do is to just click on the children, which is right here, and then click on interpolation. Now, in this part, you can also, again, adjust the hair according to your wants. So let's say, for example, that we are now done with this. So what we're going to do next is to go back on this part and then look for cache, which is right here. So click the drop down button, and then in this part, just scroll down until you see the bake button. So click the bake button right there, and then let's wait for it to finish. And then once it is done, what we are going to do is to go on the rendered shade. And then once you are now here, what we are going to do is to of course add a light. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to add a color or texture. So we're going to click on the sphere once again, and then go here on the material, and then click new, which is right here. And then once we're now here, what we're going to do is to just click on the surface and make sure that you select Principled Hair BSDF. Once you do that, click on the color and then adjust the color however you want to. And then after that, once you're now done with this, if you want to still make some certain changes, all you have to do is to edit that. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to add hair in Blender.